How to hide your block list on Instagram. So if you want to hide your block list on Instagram, then first of all open up your Instagram application, and here you can go for the profile, which is on the bottom right, and then go for the upper right corner, which has that three bar icon, and go for settings and privacy. And here let me tell you one thing, that if you have a business account, then you will not have that option. Now you can simply go for account privacy, and then you have to turn your account to a private account. So after turning your account to a private account, your account will be hidden, and if someone follows you, then only they can watch your post or videos or anything. They will have the idea if they have followed you, but if they have not followed you, then your account will be private. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.